What you should expect during exam day. Make sure you reach the Prometric test center at least half an hour before the scheduled time. If you reach the test center 15 minutes after, they may refuse to admit you.
Prior to letting you sit in for the exam, Prometric Invigilator shall check your photographic government ID, such as valid passport or driving license, ask you to sign in, check you with a metal detector, ask you to turn up your sleeves, check your pockets, look at your reading glasses to ensure it does not have any camera, ask you a security question, date of birth, email address, and take your picture. Make sure your driving license or passport is valid. If expired, you shall be refused entry and have to reschedule.
You cannot carry anything with you to the exam room. A locker shall be provided to keep your belongings. Prometric shall supply you with a couple of papers and a pencil for taking notes plus a simple calculator. No paper or pen or calculator when you choose remote proctoring option, but there shall be a desktop icon for calculator during the exam.
Immediately, upon completion of the exam, you shall receive an email notifying you whether you have passed or failed. Your preliminary exam result may be a preliminary pass, which is normally a pass, a marginal result, too close to call, may be a pass if you are lucky, and a preliminary fail, which is normally a fail. You shall receive your confirmed score up to 8 weeks after the last day of 3 weeks examination window, sometimes sooner. It takes another 6 to 8 weeks after receipt of confirmed score for the certification and wallet card to arrive by post. The pass mark is roughly 70%, minimum 400 on a scale of maximum 500, for all the API examinations. No negative marking is applied, therefore, answer all the questions. The amount of time remaining is displayed at the top of the screen. Keep a steady pace. If a question is taking too much time to answer, flag it off and go to next question. Remember, if you wish to leave the examination room for drinking water or using the toilet, you need to take your ID with you, report to the security outside the examination room and sign out. On return, you shall go through the same initial security check and sign in. During all this time, the clock is running. There is a frequently asked question (FAQ) in the Prometric website. It gives you a good insight how Prometric holds the exam on behalf of API. You can always contact Prometric if you have more questions. They are normally quick to respond. There is an API frequently asked questions (FAQ). If you have any more question, ask us through our WhatsApp line or write to us, help@inspector-training.com. Remember that you can flag off those questions you are not sure of, so you can return to them during the remaining time. You can also right-click on selected answers to eliminate wrong answers. This will narrow down the possible right answers and therefore increases your chance of getting the right answer. You can either review all the questions once again or review the flagged-off questions only during any remaining time left.